Do you know how data travels at the speed of thought? Or how a complex system like an autonomous vehicle makes decisions in milliseconds? What about the invisible threads connecting the decentralized world of Web3? If you've ever pondered these questions, then you've likely stumbled upon the silent, powerful force enabling them, Bifrost. But what is Bifrost, and what exactly does it do? Forget the rainbow bridge of Norse mythology for a moment, though the name is no coincidence. In the world of technology, Bifrost refers to a family of innovative solutions designed to bridge gaps, accelerate processes, and ensure seamless communication within highly complex and distributed systems. It's less about a physical bridge and more about a sophisticated, often invisible, architecture that facilitates high-performance, low-latency data transfer and computation. Let's break down its primary uses, starting with its role in the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Imagine an AI model that needs to process vast amounts of real-time data from countless sensors in a self-driving car, for instance. Traditional data pipelines simply can't keep up. Bifrost, in this context, acts as an ultra-efficient conduit, allowing sensor data to be ingested, processed, and fed to the AI model almost instantaneously. This enables crucial split-second decisions, literally making the difference between a smooth ride and a perilous one. It's about more than just speed, it's about ensuring the integrity and timeliness of data essential for intelligent systems to function safely and effectively. Beyond AI, Bifrost is a game-changer in distributed computing. Think about massive simulations or scientific research requiring the coordinated effort of thousands of computers. Orchestrating such a complex symphony of processing power demands a robust communication layer. Bifrost provides this layer, optimizing how these individual computational units share information and tasks, preventing bottlenecks, and maximizing overall efficiency. This is particularly vital in cloud computing environments where resources are dynamically allocated and deallocated across vast networks. Then there's the exciting realm of Web3 and blockchain technology. The decentralized nature of Web3 often leads to challenges in interoperability and scalability. Different blockchains, like different islands, struggle to communicate directly. Bifrost solutions are emerging as crucial bridges, enabling cross-chain communication and asset transfer. This means you could seamlessly move a digital asset from one blockchain to another, unlocking new possibilities for decentralized applications and services. It's about creating a more interconnected and fluid digital economy, breaking down the silos that currently exist. Another key application lies in real-time analytics and data streaming. Businesses today rely heavily on immediate insights to make informed decisions. Whether it's monitoring financial markets, tracking logistics, or analyzing user behavior, the ability to process and act upon data as it arrives is paramount. Bifrost architectures are engineered to handle high-throughput, low-latency data streams, allowing organizations to gain instant visibility into their operations and respond with agility. In essence, Bifrost is about unlocking true potential. It's about overcoming the limitations of traditional network architectures and data processing methods. It's the silent enabler behind the next generation of intelligent systems, decentralized networks, and hyper-responsive applications. It's the technological rainbow bridge that connects disparate systems, ensuring data flows freely and efficiently, powering the innovations that are shaping our future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.